Namaskar dosto. Today is 12th January 2021. First step to be a successful trader is to build a trade plan. This channel is my trade journal specifically for Nifty and Bank Nifty intraday trade. Here I review my trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty if any and disclose my trade plan for the next trading session. If you are new to this channel, I sincerely request you to subscribe, like, and share it with your friend. It's only your like, subscribe, and your comment which motivates me to come and build this video on daily basis. So let's review what happened today in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Our trade plan for Nifty today was to buy on dip in the range of 14455 and 14422. And also on Bank Nifty, the trade plan was to buy on dip, which is at 31933 and 31770. If you want to know detail about my trade plan for today, then please check out my video for a trade plan on 12th January 2021. Link at the top of this chart or top of this window. So on I have carried 5 lot of Bank Nifty with me of 32,400 Jan 14 expiry. Today Bank Nifty opened gap down and I was almost around 18,000 rupees loss. But I held up my conviction on my trade plan, and I entered on this particular green bar another 32,200 CE. First, I entered 2 lot on this green bar, and then I entered another 2 lot on this green bar, and another 2 lot on this green bar, and another 2 lot on this green bar, and eventually I exited on this green bar when I was in profit. Similarly, I also took a trade on Nifty to recover my loss on Bank Nifty, and I entered on this particular green bar. No, I entered on this particular green bar with a 2 lot of Nifty at 14,400, 14,500 CE. So that's my result for today. I end up having a profit of 13,557 from the day start loss of almost 18,000 rupees. So quite an exciting day for me today, and big confidence building trade day for me. Uh, what is the learning? Today everything went as far as my plan except my exit. When I found that on this particular green bar that I almost achieved 14,000 rupees profit against loss of 18,000, I became impatient and I exited here against my exit strategy. And then I lost profit of this particular move, one green bar move, and this consolidation here. Actually, I should have waited for one red bar to come and exited on this particular red bar. So that's the learning that on exit, always keep exit stop below the last candle low and then chase it and ride the wave. Uh, so now let's see what we have in store for tomorrow. So when we look into Nifty uh, on daily chart basis, Nifty is above 8 day, 20 day, 50 day, and 200 day moving average. So it's an uptrend. But now Nifty has reach is monthly resistance of 14,566, which is also a weekly resistance, which is 14,575. So this is a very strong resistance, and it will. This is the first touch on this resistance. Reliance is has started moving up. They have a result on Jan 15, so that will be good support for Nifty. But I'm now expecting market is definitely overstretched, and I'm expecting that the market will now take some rest and will consolidate for some time, so that all the moving averages will try to catch up on the market. uh, but like all the other gurus, all guru says, we are not here to predict the market, we are here to make money. uh, On 15-minute chart, if you see, the closing is just below 8 day, below the resistance of 14,566, about 20 day, above 50, and about 200-day moving average. So the trend is up. Now when the trend is up, we have two options to do trade on the next day. One is a breakout trade, and second is buy on dip. I would prefer to be a defensive trader. Specifically, what I have learned is that if you do a weekly options, then on a trending day you can make lots of money because premium rises very fast, and it means that you do not need to take trade on daily basis. You just need to wait for a right time and a right setup where Lalaji comes and says that come and take me. So tomorrow again, my strategy will be buy on dip. When we look into Camarilla pivot, we have support pivot is at 14,528, and Camarilla support L1 is 14,519 and 14,475. So 14,475 is this bottom of the rectangle, and 14,519 is the top of this rectangle. So tomorrow, I would be looking forward to buy Nifty on dip uh, in this range of 14,519 and 14,475 with a target of 14,607 and 14,657. For Bank Nifty, when we look into daily chart, the trend is up. It's above 8, above 20, above 50, and above 200-day moving average. Definitely overstretch, but Bank Nifty is definitely looking very strong. On a 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty is above 8, above 20, above 50, and above 200, so in uptrend. So Bank Nifty is also clearly in uptrend, and in uptrend we have a two entry strategy. One is breakout trade, and second is buy on dip. So being a defensive trader, I look forward for Bank Nifty to come to my corner, which is at 14,32,268 and 32,076. So when we look into Bank Nifty, the pivot is at 32,260, and L3 is 32,268 and 32,076. So 32,076, this is a very good zone to enter Bank Nifty. So for any reason, if the Bank Nifty has mild correction tomorrow, then that would be a buying opportunity. So now market will consolidate, and one can take a trade on both the side. So it depends upon where the market is opening. So if market is getting open at high, then one can take a trade to go down, and second trade is buy on dip, which you can go up. But generally the maximum gain what you will find is in direction of the trend, and the trend is in upside direction. So I would prefer to take only buy on dip trade for tomorrow. um, I use a fairly simple trade setup. If you want to know more about my trade setup, then please check out my video on trade setup. The link is in end of the video and also in description box. If you think that this discussion has added any value to your trade strategy or trade plan for tomorrow, which is 13th January 2021, then please like, share, subscribe, give me a comment of what do you think about my videos, my channel, my trade plan. Your comment and your like button is something which really motivates me to come and build this video. So thank you very much. Enjoy yourself. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Jai Hind.